student. Today we are going to see 11th economics chapter 5 market structure and pricing. Today we are yesterday we see monopoly. Today we are going to see price discrimination under monopoly. Price discrimination under monopoly we can see two type, that is a personal and a geographical. What is the meaning of personal? Personal means a different price changed for the different individuals. Different prices changes, price changes in the different individuals. For example, the railway gives the concession to the rate of citizen from the some journeys. Give a railway gives some suggestion only to the concession only given to the certain person. That is called a personal difference between the individuals. Next we see geographical. Different prices changed in a different places for a same product. This product is same, the price will be vary for the different places. That is called a geographical. For example, a book sold for within the India, the price will be sold in a foreign countries, the price at a lower price at the basis on the place and different prices changed in the same product, the price will be changed in the different places. Next we see degrees of price discrimination. The price discrimination become between the almost monopoly markets. And then first degree price discrimination. First we see the first degree price discrimination. The monopolist changed the maximum price that a buyer and are willing to pay. This is called a perfect price discrimination. Here we see monopolistic charges the maximum price, the buyer willing to pay. That is called a degree price discrimination. Second degree price discrimination. Under this degree, buyers are changed the prices in such a way that a part of their consumer surplus is taken away by the sellers. First degree, there is approach is the consumer surplus. Second degree, the consumer surplus can be taken away by the sellers. Third degree, monopoly split the entire market into a few sub-market and changes different prices in each sub-market. Here, third degree, they are differentiated, divided on the basis of the age, sex and location. For example, railway charges for the different prices at the different communities. And then we see the dumping. Dumping refers to the practice of the monopolist charging the higher price for this product in a local market at a lower price in the foreign market. That is called a dumping. Dumping means lower price in the lower price. That is the price. Lower price in the foreign market, higher price in the local market. That is called a dumping. For example, India's electronic market and then Chinese product. Next we see the monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition refers to a market situation. There are the many firms selling a different product. Monopolistic competition, there is a large number of sellers and buyers, and then the product will be different product. There is a competition which is keen, though not a perfect, among the many firms making very similar product. There is a competition, many firms making very similar products. No firm can have any perceptible influence on the price outer policies of other sellers, nor can it be influenced much by their actions. The monopolistic competition refers to the competition, large number of sellers producing the close but not perfect substitution for the each other. Monopolist means large number of buyers and sellers. They say they are selling the different types of products. Features of monopolistic. First point, large number of buyers and many sellers. Here we see the large number of buyers and sellers. Monopolistic examples, toothpaste, soap, different types of soap and toothpastes. Firms under monopolistic competition, price maker, they are their own prices. And then firms produce a different products. It is the key element of monopolistic competitions. Different products, the key element of the monopolistic competition. There is a free entry and exit of firms. A new firm can be freely entry into the firm. Firm compete with each other by incurring the selling cost or expenditure cost, promoting their product. They are selling the cost and advertisement cost. No price competition. In this one essential part of monopolistic competition. A firm can follow on independent price policy. These are the features of the monopolistic competitions. First one is a large number of sellers and buyers in the market. and then under monopolist competition, price maker, firms differentiate products, there is a free entry, firm complete each other incurring the selling cost or advertisement costs, price competition are essential, a firm can follow an independent price policy. Today what we see, price discrimination under monopoly, types of price discrimination, personal, geographical, and the degrees of price discrimination, first degree, second degree and third degree. In first degree, the monopolists change the maximum price and buying the willing to pay, and first degree they follow the consumer surplus policy. Second policy, they can be a consumer surplus taken away by the seller, and then third degree they changes the different prices sub-market. Dumping, what is the meaning of dumping? Dumping means higher price in the local market, lower price in the foreign market, that is called a dumping. Example, electronic markets and Chinese product. Next we see the monopolistic competition. What is the meaning of monopolistic competition? Monopolistic competition refers to many differential products in the and large number of sellers, buyers in the market. What are the features of monopolistic competition? There are large number of buyers and sellers in the market, and then monopolist competition, price maker, differential product, and then no free entry into the exist of firm, and then expenditure and advertisement cost will be here, and then price competition is an essential part. A firm can follow an independent price policy. Tomorrow we can see price and output determined under the monopolistic competition. Thank you, student.